Let's take a look at how things are and have been for us today. We were cloudy throughout much of the day, and this worked to our advantage. You know, when you're talking about the ingredients which you need in place to create severe storms, you need a couple things to go in place. Heat is usually one of them, and the more you warm up, basically or typically, the more fuel there is for storms to develop. So the cloud cover worked to our advantage. Right now we are looking at a beautiful sunset that's coming our way, looking from Allstate Arena in Rosemont, waiting on the sun to go down. We like to see a front move through after sunset because it loses that heat of the day fuel. And a lot of times what I like to say is the storms just kind of coast into neutral. They gradually weaken. We're not seeing that right now. We're seeing these storms actually intensify, especially this one here. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County that expires today at 5:45. Tornado possible. Well, we've had some radar indicated tornado warnings outside of our viewing area, one in Wisconsin, two in Illinois. But this is just something that we're on the lookout for. We've generally seen hail throughout much of the history of these storms. Rock Falls, Illinois, 1-inch diameter hail. Dixon, up to 1-inch diameter hail. You need the air to be streaming away, the lift to be 40 to 50 miles per hour. So that's a storm that's really pulling in air from the surface to create or keep a hailstone up that's going to be that large. So we are talking healthy storms. In terms of the severe outlook for today, green on this map indicates the marginal risk for us. So if you go 1 through 5, this would be more like a 1. So it's not, going to be, we think, the stormiest night that'll come our way. But this is the stage that we have set up today. We have low pressure, kind of a local low there across portions of eastern Iowa. But temperatures on one side of the front, 70s. And I'm talking upper 70s in some areas. Temperatures on the other side of the front, after the front has moved through, 40s and even down to the 30s as you get to portions of Minnesota. So take a look at these numbers. 72 for us here in Chicago, 1 degree off of a record high of 73. Madison is 30 degrees cooler at this time. Look at Mason City, they're at 39. That's the type of temperature difference that we're seeing on one side of this front and the other. So go figure that we're going to have some strong showers and maybe some severe thunderstorms. Well, I want to show you some of our severe indices. This is what we look at when we're talking about forecasting storms. This is the storm energy, potential energy, or CAPE. When this number gets to 1,000, really be on the lookout. But as we progress through tonight, that number is going to go down. I'd say it's at the marginal line. This number here, the EHI we say, this basically looks at instability and then what could happen with if you tap into that shear, if you're going to possibly get tornadoes. Anything over 1 you really want to pay attention to. This number goes to 2, but watch as we progress through tonight. As I mentioned, after the sun goes down, you lose a lot of those indices and it drops down to 1 by about 8:30 tonight and then drops to 0 after that. So in terms of when we could potentially see some stronger severe thunderstorms, we just got to get through the next couple of hours after the sun goes down. Certainly some thunder, certainly some lightning, I think hail, and maybe some heavy rain and strong gusty winds, but that's probably all that we're going to see. On the lookout for everything, but those are our primary threats. So as we look now, we see the showers and thunderstorms near the Rockford area. They continue to move through portions of Boone and Winnebago counties, also McHenry County. I kind of zoomed in here to Ogle County, an area that's under that severe thunderstorm warning. This is where we see a couplet there. Winds which are going away from the radar in red toward the radar in green. Maybe a rotating storm there. Not a tornado, but you're under a severe thunderstorm warning. This thing is moving to the northeast and should be at I-39 very soon. How about today, though? O'Hare up to 72 this afternoon. At Midway, we got to 72 also. And at the lakefront, 70. As we come to you, a picture-perfect, serene, nearly record-setting day for us here in Chicago. Our temperature still 72. As a matter of fact, this is our high temperature for the day. We've warmed up over the last hour or so. So as we look at temperatures across the region, Woodstock, you're going to cool down first. You're at 66. DeKalb, 71. Aurora reading at 71 also. Down to our south, Peatone's at 68. Joliet's currently at 72. 69 for Kankakee and 72 at this time in Gary. Tonight, we'll see the low temperature drop down to about 40. Showers and storms likely. A little bit of everything. Rainfall totals are going to be healthy between 1 and 2 inches. Hail and strong gusty winds will certainly be possible tonight. Tomorrow, better day. Chance for rain early in the day. High temperature reaches about 44 degrees by the afternoon. That's a cool down, but still warmer than normal for this time of the year. And for Wednesday, we'll have clouds in the morning, becoming mostly sunny, seasonable temperatures. Pretty nice day. Not as good as this one, I know. Here's the 7-day forecast, up to 51 degrees on Thursday. Then comes Friday, a good chance for rain and snow early Saturday morning. I guess it does still snow around here. 45 will be the high temperature there. Sunday we're up to 50, and Monday we climb to 58. We warm up once again. So we're kind of monitoring these storms out to our west. Some of them are nasty, but they're just kind of outside of our viewing area. So if they move into our region, We'll get them.
It's not spring and summer yet. We have to forget that.
No,
Remember that.
not yet.
I do forget it, though.
We all do.
All right, thanks.